Tired of spending hours wrestling with payroll and wondering if your employee time tracking is accurate? Well, stick around because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to use Clockify, the completely free time tracking tool, to streamline your payroll process and ensure precise wage calculations. First, let's make sure everyone on your team is tracking their time diligently using Clockify's time tracker. Employees simply select a project, add a task if necessary, and then click the Start, Stop button. It's that easy. Next, organize your workflow by creating projects in Clockify. Assign each employee to relevant projects so their time is accurately allocated. Now for the magic. Navigate to the Reports tab and generate a detailed time report. Customize the report by selecting the specific date range you need for your payroll period and filtering by team members. Clockify lets you export these reports in various formats like CSV or Excel. This data can then be seamlessly imported into your payroll system or used to manually calculate wages. Use the exported data to easily calculate wages by multiplying each employee's tracked hours by their hourly rate. And that's it. By using Clockify for time tracking, you can gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and ensure accurate payroll calculations, saving you time and money. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful business tips.